Now the kingdom approach. Kingdom, it belongs to plant subfamily Rubiaceae. In Rubiaceae, the main idea of Rubiaceae is excessive stimulation in the form of thoughts. There is excess of thoughts being stimulated for creativity. That I think we highlighted in our narration always. But what is important is the differentiation or the comparison of coffee with other similar remedies. Okay. So before I compare, I will just first give you a small idea of what coffee is. Just to sum it up, coffee is what? You take it to be very alert, active, stimulation of ideas and relationships and creativity. Correct? Now, next remedy is piper methysticum. Piper, the issue is, it is a spice. Pepper. It is spice. It is used to add spice to our food. खाने को taste देने के लिए, give taste to the food. So that is what piper patients desire. They desire what is it? Taste in life or spice in life. Life should be exciting and not so much thrill. Life should, thrill is there. Life should be exciting and happening. Things should constantly be happening. One patient said, "Doctor, I feel always, constantly I need excitement." Like what? Actually, I am telling you why I am having food. No, I have one bite. I have one bite of food. I have second bite of food. By the third bite, I feel bored of chewing. I feel every time what we have to chew. Then I think I will have something else. Then I feel bored of drinking. So this is the kind of change I need. So in piper, the main thing is want of change, constant change. Easily bored. They want constant change. And the main important modality of piper is that they feel better. You heard this patient, no? What he will feel? Even while seeing movie, he will see, what we have to sit in this chair and see movie. Next movie. So they will keep changing. So the only modality for them at that time is to sit near a window and watch outside things happen. That is the only modality which makes them feel better. Sitting by the window and watching people walking by, vehicles going by, that is the only time that they feel relaxed. Otherwise, constant change they need. That is piper. Next is leviate. Leviate is excitement which is more passionate and sexual excitement. Little bit of leviate we did last time. I will focus on Hamamelidae, which we did not do last time. Hamamelidae. In Hamamelidae, you have this desire for excitement. But what is important in Hamamelidae is their boredom basically comes from doing routine things. The typical situation is that of a housewife. Housewife feels every day morning I have to wake up, cook food, make tiffin box for my children, for my husband. Then they go, then I have to take care of the house, then I have to do this, then I have to do that, then the day is over. So it feels very, very boring to me. There is no life in my life. There is no excitement. So in that excitement, in that boredom, they desire for thrill, excitement basically comes from doing adventurous things. excitement. So at one point they will tell, I am very scared, oh I don't want to do this, it is so scary. But other thing I feel convinced. So they have both these feelings. It is very scary, if something goes wrong, oh my god. But it is very exciting. Very good. So for them, the main excitement comes from television. When they see a huge lion in front of them, but TV is really good. So I am saying, okay. So they like seeing lion directly is very dangerous. It's exciting but very dangerous. So TV is safe. National Geography. I saw lion. Happy. So that is how they get their excitement. Hamamelidae. Okay. So in Hamamelidae, the main image is that of a window. Typically you will find in their dreams that I am in a closed, confined room, nothing is there, everything is boring, life is very heavy, nothing is happening. But when I see in that dream that there is a window, from that window I can see things, adventurous things, lion, tiger, all that are coming. But I am in this room, safe, no problem. I like seeing from this window. That is the Hamamelidae picture. Okay? Repertory. Mind. Archive things desire. Archive things desire. Activity, creativity. Clinging persons or furniture to convulsively. This I have observed in children especially, that they cling on to something. They have constantly something in their hand, keychain or some toy. Constant you will see in the while observing a patient of coffee. They cling on to things, constantly holding on to something or the other. Illusions, imaginations, insane become that she will, delivery, parturition, during. That is because of the intense pain of Coffea. Mind, fear death of pain from. Mind, fear death of